I want to show you guys how to use the camera to do some cool tricks in Phaser 3. Stay tuned. You're watching a video from the coldlabz studios, where we're turning anything into video games. Also, I'm the software developer behind the game and the art. Make sure you subscribe to coldlabz for more content. Now let's go. Hey, what's going on everybody? It's your favorite software developer, Tashawn, aka coldlabz on social media. In this video, I want to show you guys how to manipulate the camera a little bit and give your game that live action feeling, like Grand Theft Auto. That sounds all good and all, but we know for a fact that that's not going to happen with a 2D game, especially made with Phaser.io. But we're going to do our best to make this thing look nice. For those of you that like software development or making video games or seeing video games get created, go ahead and support me by hitting that subscribe button. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to need you guys to do is to get your HTML template set up. You can pause the video if you need to get this set up. Go to your browser and type in Phaser.io, and once you're on that site, we need to get the actual JavaScript file that matches the HTML section right here and put it in the same folder. Now I'm going to go ahead back to my desktop and paste in my game template, and we're going to start making the game. So the first thing we need to do is actually load the background into the preload section. After that, we need to put the background into the create area itself. Once we load up the game, we see that we're good to go. Now it's on to the camera. If you were to go to your console by right clicking on your browser, then clicking expect element, and then type in g.cameras.main, you'll notice a whole list of things populate. Inside this list, you can choose a variety of camera actions to occur. One of the simplest things we can do is make the screen shake over time by typing g.cameras.main.shape. The camera has a default shape, but you can actually add your own number inside that function to tweak it a bit. So I'll add mine. The first parameter inside that function is the duration of 1 second, and the second is the power behind the camera shape. If we were to set this number higher, it would shake a whole lot more. Just in case you guys are wondering where this g.cameras is coming from, if you look back on the actual game, you'll see I name an actual function just the letter G. We can also change the zoom to make the camera actually zoom to the center of its origin point by typing zoom equals and then a number. So I'll just do 3. If we want the camera to zoom out over time, we would change that text from zoom to zoomTo, and seeing that this is a function, we need to put the camera's position that you want to zoom to and the duration. So I'll do 2 seconds and return to the normal camera of 1. And for my last trick, let's make the camera fade out over 3 seconds by typing g.cameras.main.fadeout and then put 3000. So there you have it. What do you think about the basic functionalities of using the camera in Phaser.io? Leave a comment below and tell me what you think. Don't forget to subscribe. Other than that, I'll see you around.